Are you looking to make your Google site more interactive and helpful for your visitors? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add Google Maps to your site in just a few steps. A complete guide for 2025. First, open the Google site you want to edit and navigate to the page where you'd like the map to appear. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Insert panel. Click on it. Scroll down until you find the Map option and select it. Now it's time to choose the location you want to display. You can search for an address, a place of interest, or even use a location you've saved in Google My Maps. Once you've found the right spot, click Select to insert the map onto your page. Don't worry if it doesn't fit perfectly at first. You can easily resize it by dragging the edges to match your page layout. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Publish to make the map live and accessible to everyone visiting your site. And that's it! Adding a Google map not only makes your site more interactive, but it also helps visitors find your location easily. Try it out and see how it enhances your site instantly.